Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how they can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, this is a Bitcoin chart. If you look at this chart, what you can see here, after 2021 it has continuously made a new high. Okay, after making new high it came down and made a low of around 29 to 229, and from there it is moving continuously up. Okay, if you look at this chart, it is moving upside and made a range of, okay, so it is moving at around 4769. Okay, so after this, if we touch this level, then we can see that it will come in this particular range, okay, and can touch a level of 57,840. okay, after that it can, if it stays above this level, then it can touch a level of 61,361, and then we can see that it can move and can touch a level of 63, which is its all-time high. Okay, so what we have to understand here, that if it stays above this level, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 57,840. But suppose if it goes below a level of 45,613, then chances are there it can touch a level of 4,334, and if it goes above that, below that level, then we can see a level of 42,172. and once this is 42,172 comes, then it will be in this particular range. If you have any doubt regarding crypto, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, so then these chances are high. Then the chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 36,081 and can go and touch a level of 30,278. So if it is stays above a level of 43,176, then we can see that it can go on a more upper side. Okay, if we talk about Dogecoin, see what it is also have shown a sign of an upside. See, if you look at this pattern, it has made a pattern, cup pattern. Okay, so once this is an handle, so suppose if it crosses a level of 0.34299, then we can see chances are there it can go more further upside. Okay, as of now it is trading at around 0.28725. okay, so suppose if the chances are high, if it goes upside, then it can touch a level of 0.33268, and then we can see a level of 0.348146, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 0.38423. okay, and then from there we can see that this level is also tested twice, so chances will be high that it can go and touch a level of 0.422893, and we know that this level is not tested, so chances are high that it can bounce back from there, or if it crosses this side, then probability is there it can touch a level of 0.45382, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high it can go and further touch a level of 0.53416. okay, so there is a probability that we can see a more upside targets and can touch a level of 0.59. okay, 3. So once, okay, suppose now if the price of Dogecoin didn't move upside and it started moving downside, so what we can see, it can touch a level of 0.268247. okay, and from there is a probability that it can touch a level of 0.22700, and from there we can see a level of 0.21416. okay, so there is a probability that suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 0.1985. okay, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see that it can go further low and can touch a level of 0.16722, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be high that it can go further low and touch a level of 0.800623. But if we talk about Ethereum, See, Ethereum is making an upside move, as we have seen all the Bitcoins and Dogecoin are on the upside. If we look at this trend, see, on the May, after May, it has made a high, and from there it has gone, and this level is already tested twice. Okay, so the low is around 1791, but after that it is moving an upside and made a range. So what we can see here, suppose if it stays above this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 3361, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that yes, it can touch that level and can touch a level of 3622. And if it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 3929 also. Before that it has to stay above a level of 3599, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that yes, it can touch a level of 3989. Okay, and from there it can touch a level of 4179, and there is a probability that it can touch a all-time high. Okay, but suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 3088, and there is a probability that from there it can touch a level of 2906. Okay, so suppose if this level goes below so probability is there. If it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 2678. Okay, then there is chances if it stays more above this level. Suppose if it goes below this level, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 2712. Okay, and once this level is touched, and it is, suppose if it didn't stays above this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 2394, and if it stays below this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 2155, and then we can see the trend of downside has started, and then we can be on the selling side. Okay, so if we talk about Litecoin, see, now Litecoin has not shown that movement as compared to the Ethereum, but they are all in upside. Okay, all this crypto, we can see that it has moved from upside and now made a range. Okay, so same pattern we have seen in the Litecoin also. Okay, the range high is around 194.3 and the low is around 162.990. so suppose if it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 188.062, and from there we can see a level of 192, which is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 208. Okay, and 208, this level is also tested twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 227, and this level is also tested here twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 246. Okay, and once 246 is touched, then we can see that this level is also already tested here twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 266, and then it can go and touch a level of 318. As we can see that once 318 is touched, then there is a probability, because this level is not tested twice, so chances are high it can bounce back, or if it goes above this level, so then we can see a good upside movement. But what I can see here, that at this level it can bounce back a little, and then if it bounce again, then we can see further upside movement, and it can go and touch a level of 393, and then can touch a all-time high. But suppose if it didn't sustain this, didn't go upside, if it goes up below and started moving downside, so probability is that it can touch a level of 167. Okay, if suppose 167 didn't sustain, then probability is there, because this level is also tested twice downside, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 148, and if it 148 is touched and didn't sustain upside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 137, and then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 128. Okay, and then once 128 is touched, then we can see that the movement for downside have started, and suppose if it comes close to around 127, then we can be on the selling side, and there is a probability that it can break its low of 106 and can go and touch a level of more further low, can touch a level of the video. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.